Feeling the heat from menopausal hot flushes? Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, in this 60-second video, I'll share powerful natural and herbal relief that works fast and is gentle on your body. Sage tea is a classic remedy that helps regulate sweat glands and reduce hot flash intensity. Sip it daily for calming support. Black cohosh is another powerful herb. It's been traditionally used to support hormonal balance and ease menopause symptoms. Try evening primrose oil, rich in GLA, to cool inflammation and balance estrogen levels. And don't forget red clover. It contains natural phytoestrogens that may help reduce the frequency of hot flushes. Pair these with a healthy lifestyle, stay hydrated, reduce caffeine, and practice calming breathwork. Please like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting any herbal remedies, especially during menopause.